Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Yamaha V-Star 950. This middleweight cruiser has just a little over 3,300 miles on it and is in mint condition. Plus it is all stock, so it has endless possibilities of customization. So let's take a walk around it. We'll get a good look at the bike and then we will fire it up for you. This middleweight cruiser, like I said, has been kept very clean. Plus it's got low miles on it, so tires are still in great shape, got plenty of miles left on those. This bike comes with kind of a swooped back handlebar setup, factory footboards for the driver, rear tire as well is still in great shape. Got plenty of miles left on that. This bike is belt drive. And again, footboards for the driver, also with a heel toe shifter setup. Really, just a nice clean cruiser. This is the perfect move-up size bike. 3325 is what's on it. This V-Star 950 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, all your accessories you need for it. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.